Hello everyone, I'm out here at Lowe's doing a little shopping. Look what I got. Oh yes, we are getting right for the season. Yes indeed. Look at all the stuff out here. Wow, so much to choose from. It just don't make no sense. Look at all this stuff. It's loaded out here. You guys make sure y'all go check out y'all local Lowe's. What is this? All right now. Check them out. Beautiful. Look at them. These are beautiful, you guys. These would definitely have to come in the winter. So much stuff here. Look at these. Check out the colors. Yes. Here go the cactuses. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. These look like some little grapes. Check out this tree. Isn't that cool, y'all? Look how it's braided up. Love it. And here goes a beautiful palm. Too bad I can't grow those outside. They would have to be brung in the winter. Now that's a nice tree right there. Beautiful. check out all these beautiful flowers. We definitely need flowers for the pollinators. Beautiful. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.